Check out this 1941 Chevrolet Street Rod. It's actually a 41 Chevy Town Sedan. It's been converted into a street rod. Very nice build. It's a little bit older build, but quality build. I'll show you some kind of cool things about this car. It is all steel, so there's no glass fenders or anything like that. One thing you'll notice if you take a glance at this on the hood, they removed 3 of the vents. Only has 3 vents in that hood now. It used to have 6 vents in there. Kind of a cool look. Obviously, it's had the chrome removed to it, so it's got that monochromatic look, all in the kind of the candy apple red, I guess, if you would. Kind of a deep, pretty red color, riding on Boyd's wheels. Good rubber. Underneath the hood, very nicely equipped also. This car has a 1991 RS Camaro 305 in there. That's also teamed with a 700R overdrive tranny. So basically you're looking at early fuel injection on this car. So very nice starting. Don't have to worry about the carbureted part of it. You can see the headlights have been Frenched in. Got the blinker lights built in down in the grille. This car's made to drive, and it drives out very well. You're also looking at power steering, power brakes. Brakes have discs up front, drums in the rear, and also has a vintage AC unit to it, which does blow ice cold. So, like I said, kind of the modern amenities in a street rod that was built right when it was done. Take a look at this too. Door handles flush mounted into the doors. Very nice touch there. So you don't have to deal with the poppers. So many back in the day thought the poppers were cool, but really they kind of turned into a big pain whether they work or not. So you got the door handles working just like a regular car. Gas fill has been brought out to the fender. A lot of the older street rods, it was a gas fill in the trunk, which then led to the gas spill and the gas smell, of course, in the trunk. Rear end on this, 10-bolt Chevy rear with 323 posi rear end. Up in the front to it is a Mustang 2 with a Fat Man cross member. So again, this thing's just put together to go down the road, and you can tell, you get in the car, started up, moving around our lot a little bit or in our showroom, it drives nicely. A little power steering to it, power brakes. Frenched in taillights, take a look at those. Then you also see this roll pan, custom roll pan down there. License plate holder. A lot of neat little build items on this. Does have aluminum exhaust to it. Glass, fiberglass, I should say, fuel cell. Walker radiator with a electric fan and shrouds. I mean, it's made to keep it cool. You're out cruising in the summer. We're going to check out the interior too. Bucket seats up front with a center console. Now, as far as the camera goes here, it really washes out this interior. It's more of a, kind of comes across tan in the video here. If you look at the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. The seats have a lot more burgundy in them than necessarily it shows in this video. It shows up a little more tan, but they're almost kind of a tan and burgundy combination. If you look at the still pictures, you'll see what I'm saying. Check those still pictures out at uniqueclassiccars.com. See the carpeting, the door cards, everything very nice shape. Still kind of have the old school crank look to it as far as your wing window and side window going up and down. Video gauges, as you can see. Interior lights all work. Dome light, see how nice the headliner is. Here you can see you also have tilt column to it. Updated radio. Here's your controls for the vintage air. This here vent also will raise out if you just want some fresh air coming through. So the vent is working up on the front cowl. It's that late model center console. Really neat how this was put together. Cup holders. Flip it out from the center console right there. Fold back up. Of course, you got your storage. We're going to go ahead and start this up, see how easily this starts. As you can see, gauge is in working order. Excuse me. Also has 2-speed wipers. Wipers did work. I was in playing a little bit ago. There's high, there's low. So nicely the door closes. Just come around, listen how smooth this engine runs. Like I said, that's a 305 out of a 1991 RS Camaro. Come around to the back, nothing crazy as far as exhaust noise, rumble, anything like that. Just a nice looking, running, equipped street rod. Ready to be taken out on the road and enjoyed. Like I said, the underside pictures, engine bay, interior, trunk, those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, or you can give us a call. You got any questions on this car, feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. I just noticed too, take a look at the seat from here when I don't have a door open with the light on it. That's a little more true to what the color is on the interior. It doesn't have that tan look to it. It's more of that burgundy. Right there's a real true color of the outside of the car and the interior. Very nice 1941 Chevrolet street rod made out of a Chevy Town sedan. Give us a call.